rush. I'm here to keep the peace, but I'm prepared. Say, hey, slow down, no rush. I'm here to keep the peace, but I'm prepared. Now I say,
I pledge allegiance to the hip hop. Yeah, I pledge allegiance to it non-stop. I pledge allegiance to the hip hop. Yeah, I pledge allegiance to it non-stop. Meditation, equality, it keeps me level-headed, the mentality. Cool, calm, post-hypnotic with suggestion. Never stressing, heat chambers, never sweating. Honey's crying, cause her man she caught cheating. Mother's iron, sons cut down like bushes. Daddy sicker than the landlord just evicted. Stressed to death month by month until he kicked it. I see you hustling on the dark streets, the mental. Look what you've been through, you just escape reality. Now what you're into, it's just a technicality. Check it, deep inside of my head like TV. The lifestyle I live so crooked you won't believe me. Lessons learned that I can walk a tightrope. Even though I talk and choke, don't provoke. Now you can call me Apple Rasta Hood, cause I rob from the rich and I give to the good. Even though it's for the money B, I'm dropping knowledge G. Straight shots to the head, peep the summary. Wake up in the morning, got me.